Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to message TikTok support. Now, to message TikTok support, we'll be using the TikTok Help Center and App Report Issue feature. So first, launch the TikTok app on your device and log into your account. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Tap the three lines or the menu in the top right corner. Choose Settings and Privacy from the menu. Scroll down and tap Report a Problem under the Support section. Browse through the listed issues or use the search bar to find a topic related to your concern. Submit your message. If the provided solutions don't help, tap No when asked, "Is your problem resolved?" Tap Need more help. Tap on the box Message Input field and write your message explaining the issue and submit it by tapping the Send button. TikTok support team will respond via email or in-app notifications.
And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.